we go, back again with another match day vlog, and Sunderland do welcome Bristol City up to the Stadium of Light. I hope the fans have a fantastic journey up to the Stadium of Light and a safe journey home, but with no points. Yes, no points. And don't forget, if you've been in it today with a score prediction, you can win an England shirt. With a score prediction on the preview video for this match and also the Rotherham match during the week. The one who has the most points out of the two games will win this lovely England shirt. So yes, Sunderland are on a roll. We've won the last two games with no goals conceded. Can we make it 3 on the bounce? 3 points today against Bristol City. Very good in form. Bristol City not lost a match in 2023. So it won't be easy. But with this team today, I'm predicting this is the team it's going to be. Patterson, Hume, Ballard, Bart, Alessi, Mishu, Neil, Roberts, Ahmad, Clark and Gelhardt. Hopefully they'll bring the points back and we can stay in the playoffs and climb further up the table. Right, we're off to Wincy's Bar and Grill very shortly. And we all know you love to watch Wincy cook some wonderful, beautiful food. So we're heading down to Wincy's Bar and Grill. I've got a special guest today. We've got Luke, a Sunderland Dutch fan. How are you doing, Luke?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
Absolutely fantastic. So how long have you been a Sunderland fan?
A few years now. Back in Holland I always watched the games. And now I'm finally here and now I can go to the games.
That's Sunderland till I die?
Sunderland till I die, yeah.
And so far this season, Luke's been to 3 matches. How many wins?
3.
Oh, lucky
Three
lad.
wins.
Hopefully 4 to 4 today.
Yeah, we
right,
hope
Luke,
so.
we're off to Wincy's Bar and Grill now for a pint. So what are you doing there anyway?
I'm making a documentary about you.
Unfortunately about me.
It's just about Sunderland fans and just how great the club is.
Excellent, next one, Luke. Let's go. So we're heading down to Wincy's Bar and Grill. We've got Luke from Newcastle University doing his degree or dissertation on making a short movie, and he's decided to make it on me. Oh, poor lad, never mind. Somebody has to do it. But I wish him all the best. I do, honestly. I'm only joking. I wish him all the best. I'm privileged to be on it. Absolutely privileged to be on it. Luke, we got a score prediction for today?
I think 2-0.
2-0 to Sunderland.
2-0 to Sunderland.
4 wins out of 4 for Luke.
We have to.
Young lad from Holland here. Sunderland fan. Is there a lot of Sunderland Dutch fans these days with Sunderland till I die?
Yeah, with Sunderland till I die there are a lot of fans, yeah. My dad is also a Sunderland fan.
Oh, absolutely amazing. His dad's a Sunderland fan. Which team do you support in Holland though?
I support the Graafschap.
Oh,
It's
right.
one of the smallest clubs in
Yeah,
the
nice
in the
one.
country,
Well,
but
they've almost some really good small clubs around, so well done for doing that anyway. We're not far from it. I can see Wincy in the distance. There's Wincy in the distance. Oh, is it Raimondo? I can smell those chips and pizzas on the grill already. Wincy's Bar and Grill. Happy days. Wincy's Bar and Grill. You walk on the door and the stuff's already there. Absolutely beautiful pizzas.
I know
And
where it
Wincy's
is from.
That won't last long with Raimondo, will it?
Oh no,
What do you want off Wincy?
I want a pint of tiger and a piece of pizza, please, at Wincy's Bar and Grill. If he doesn't mind.
How much you expect to pay for that?
I'm expecting to pay nothing. The usual.
Oh, we got chips as well. Let's taste the chips out. Oh, yeah, baby.
So, well, you should get something to
Wincy's
do.
Bar and Grill.
Vincenzio, this is Vincenzio, my mate Vincenzio.
I just get behind that pot pint.
yeah, of course.
Do you want me to drink or do you want a pint or?
Of course.
Yeah, anybody.
Some boy. Wincy's Bar and Grill. Look at that, man. Wincy's Bar and Grill. It's what we call
Thank you, mate.
top quality nosh.
Have that man, that's fucking spicing up my mind.
I'm gonna burn
Did
your ass
you
with
get
it.
these from the
Pizza shop.
Tandoor? Oh, I thought you get them from the Tandoor.
You want a pint?
Take one slice.
You just get what you
What you
want.
want, man?
Help yourself to Wincy's Bar and Grill. Look, go and get stuck in, lad.
Like hot stuff.
Is that? No, I don't like hot stuff.
Oh, but it's just
Why
fine.
you spice up my night?
Dutch people don't like hot stuff.
No?
No.
No, right.
Where
Have you-
do you live at night? Do you live over here or do you live in
Yeah, I live in Newcastle.
Newcastle?
He's living in Oosburn for the moment.
Alright. I thought you travelled all the way from Holland.
Is he allowed in here living at Newcastle?
Oh, he's a Sunderland fan, man. He's a Sunderland fan. He's been a Sunderland fan for years now. He's been to 3 matches this season. He's won all 3 games. All 3 games
Well,
have
let's
won.
make it 4.
Exactly. You've been to Holland a few times, have you?
Yeah.
Whereabouts you been?
Eindhoven, Amsterdam, place
We're
called...
not talking about your things at Amsterdam. We're not going to that. But
Oh,
Eindhoven.
you can get things there. I didn't do that.
I'm only joking.
Yeah, a couple years a week, didn't you?
That was in England. I didn't
Aye.
go to Holland for it.
You get some more, you want some more, man?
Oh no, I was
What
just
do you call
saying
that big industrial town, city?
Rotterdam.
No. They make massive machinery for Philips.
Oh, he's stuck in now.
You say Philips owned a lot of things in one?
Philips own virtually, he'll tell you, Luke will tell you, Philips own the whole of Eindhoven.
Do they?
They own the football club,
Yeah.
they own all the factories,
Aye.
they own the banks, the shops, everything.
Mint.
Is that right, Luke?
Yeah.
Alright, so you used to work for Philips,
They
didn't you?
worked for them for 35 years, son.
Oh, nice one.
Are
You're a
you
big,
having your country drive over?
big boss,
No, I
isn't
went
you?
with the bus.
Or the bus over?
I'm at the doctor's on Monday for me cough.
About time.
Aye. Ray, X-ray. Loving the food there, Ray.
Loving it. 1992, no, after that.
No, not after that.
1990, 20, when did I work with you? First time?
Once they work, you turned up.
20.
Saw your face.
About 2000, yeah, 2000, I worked with him. I worked with him in 2 places. He was the hide and seek champion from 2000 to 2023. Nobody could ever find him. Nobody.
I was that busy, that's why.
Busy lying about, look what places to hide.
Cheers, Wincy. Thanks for the lovely pizzas and chips. Absolutely amazing.
Thanks, Missy.
That's absolutely fantastic. What the hostess with the mostest. Wincy's Bar and Grill. Second to none. Best in the town.
Old lady goes to the doctors, 80-year-old. She says, Doctor, you know that Viagra stuff? Can I get some of that from the old fella? He says, yeah. He says, we do it in like 3 strengths. He says, got that, and that. Which one do you want? Oh, she says, you better give us that. And anyway, he sorts his prescription out. He says to her, you know, it's marvellous, a woman your age, in that year, and still trying to look after her husband's sex life. She says, nah, it's not for that. It's to stop him pissing on his slippers. Take it!
What do you mean, there's
Oh, you do, that's your trouble.
In Wincy's Tavern, Wincy knows the scores on the doors. Last 2 home matches, got them correct.
Excuse me, can I stop you there?
What?
Not when she's having.
Wincy's Bar and Grill.
Bunker, aye.
Thank you.
Sorry, there. You need to relax there.
Yeah,
Do you want a
right.
stool for your foot
No.
there? No.
You fucking put in, didn't he?
How many pints have you had so far?
Too many.
1, 2, nearly.
You know, 2, I thought 4. I've seen you before those already. Bloody hell, man.
Too many.
Never mind telling your wife you've had 2 pints in foul already. Right, what scores on the doors, Vince Meister?
1-0 Sunderland. Be a tight one, I think.
1-0 to Sunderland. Who's in the score?
Patrick Roberts.
He's playing today. Apparently Pritchard's not playing, Luke O'Nine's not playing. We're playing the same team as we did against Millwall. Shout out for who?
Scully.
Scully,
My friend from Sherburn.
absolutely top Sunderland fan.
Aye.
Goes to every single away match, doesn't he?
Ah,
Absolutely amazing. Goes to a lot of home games as well.
he goes more away games than home games.
Oh,
Scully.
massive Sunderland
Shout
fan,
out.
Scully. He's a good lad.
He wants a shot of you as well.
Big shout out there, Scully! Absolutely amazing. Top Sunderland fan. Hope you enjoy your day. I don't know
See
if
you
he's
next
going.
time.
Is he going today or not?
No, he's not going.
Not going today.
Told him yes the other day.
He'll be going to the away match against Rotherham, will he?
Aye,
He will
Rotherham.
be, aye.
This lad
Then-
goes to more away games.
He does.
Goes home.
He loves the away matches.
seems
Absolutely
to get
fantastic
That's
Sunderland
Scully
fan.
for you, aye.
Top
Cheers,
bloke.
Scully, lad.
Cheers,
Enjoy.
Scully, yes, we'll enjoy a pint. I'll get mine as well. Have a toast to the Skullmeister. Cheers to Scully.
Cheers to
Cheers,
Scully.
Scully, lad.
Bring back some points on Tuesday night, mate. we'll bring back the points today.
And the programme.
And the programme. Any pies?
And pies, aye. Pint skimmer.
Pint
I
skimmer.
get him over there every time.
Wincy, what's those cans you got in the fridge? Are we having one of those for the bus today? Let's have a look.
Cans.
Like Raymond was on about the good cans. Oh, here we are.
Doesn't give us one, like, so we have to just share one
Alright.
can between 4 of us.
All right, no, you're all right. You're the hostess, you keep that yourself.
I've
George, just
got
had
yours.
one.
From yours the other
Oh,
night.
yes,
I'll bring that.
Cronenberg.
Wincy,
I'll bring a couple of fuss on top as well.
if you like it, I'll bring some down because they're rich.
What's that?
Them.
Oh, yeah.
You know, next time
I
I
didn't have time
think
on
it's
the...
less than 15 quid for
I went
20.
for 38 pounds then when we paid 20 on fucking last year.
Aye.
That was, I'm up paying 38 quid over to go on special.
Well, you know, they're 500.
Ridiculous,
so
isn't it? For fucking 14 pints.
You're getting 10.
Almost as bad as Black Cat's Bar. We got our refund back, that's all right.
All is forgiven from the pint skimmer.
See, I'm talking about.
All is forgiven.
You're getting 10 litres there for under 15 quid.
Alright.
Raimondo,
What?
score predictions today.
Sunderland are obviously going to win.
That's
Yes.
And the score will be 2-0. I agree with Luke.
Yeah,
And
2-0.
my scorers are
That's
going to be
something,
Gelhardt, who I thought was a bit unlucky last game.
Germany,
Gerhardt's going to score.
Is he playing?
Can't he? Someone's
You
interrupting
get
you.
like a big wine glass.
Someone's interrupting you.
Hey!
A glass of wine, buddy.
Excuse me.
No, I'm just saying that I don't think you know.
I'm getting-
Holland said,
I'm getting
I said,
it.
no, Germany.
Well, man!
Fuck off. Well, come in
getting
again.
into
I'll
it.
skim you. I'll talk this lad here. I was getting involved in the fucking interview.
Can we start again? Because Vince's
Who's going to score the goals?
he's getting on me wick. Let's think. Gelhardt
Yes.
and Roberts.
Are you half cut?
No, I'm alright.
It's half skimmed.
Half skimmed.
No, I'm alright.
Any cookies today?
Plenty there going around.
Whoa!
Half of his neck. And he got a cord.
To be fair,
I got a cord. I take the
I
cord
was
out.
hot in the car and I had my scarf on, and this was pulled up.
I said,
And my hat was on.
off.
I says, and I was driving, so I says, pull my scarf off at the back, and I went like,
Motherfucking side. I was drunk until he took it off, didn't I?
Alright.
no, honestly, I've had nightmares ever since.
The Mackham
Now
Strangler.
we call him the Mackham Strangler.
He put me on the
And I
side.
thought, because I had this right upside, I couldn't get out.
He gives me a hand, you get no
I
fucking
said,
time.
I tell you what, you give them a. It was a bad night because we didn't get no food.
We got paid,
We got paid.
We were
got
starving,
no
I was
food,
starving to
we were
death.
starving to death.
we got ripped off.
Take them home.
It was windy,
Did he strangle
freezing.
you?
I didn't strangle. It was an accident, mate. Come on, you exaggerate.
Well, it was a strangle. Still have the marks, look.
Smells very sweet.
Raimondo.
Ready?
Cheese, everybody. Cheese, everybody.
Salute.
Proost.
Ooh, what was that?
Dat was Dutch. Dutch for
Nice
cheers.
one, nice one. Down in one. Thank you very much. Well, hey. Everybody enjoy that. I'll be carrying
You
him
can't
home.
down there, can you?
What percentage is that? That's more than 15.
40.
Oh!
I'm a good lad. I'm not
Really?
touching that stuff. I'm not touching that stuff.
I mean, we had these blue ones last week, 15 minutes, like pop last week, wasn't it?
These three are on a pub crawl.
Like fucking exciting night, I drink them all.
There's a bottle of Heineken there, Ray. Wincy.
See?
Oh,
There you go, Al.
Thank you very much.
Go all night or?
Top barman.
One more, okay.
Top
You
barman.
working?
One more.
Scare with these spices or something from Iceland.
Yeah.
That is the strongest pizza I've ever tasted. I could only have half a piece. I couldn't do it.
It's got ghost chilies on.
Ghost chilies.
Come back, you haunt you. Like Raymond, you come back to haunt you. Scooped everything.
I know the song. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
Just guess who got back today? Those wild-eyed boys who
You
went
can't run the
away.
boat.
Yes, baby.
You can't run the boat.
Jonas, tell me about that Prime. Is it a new one from KSI?
No, it's not a new one.
New? No, what kind is it?
It's a rare one.
It's a rare one.
Well-
Grape.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Happy days. Nice one. Are you collecting the Prime ones, are you?
Yeah.
Which is your favourite one so far?
Blue one.
Not sure we like them all.
The blue one.
Right, we're going to go for score prediction today. Obviously, we're going to the match at Sunderland versus Bristol City on a good run. You saw Jonas round the live stream the other day when we won 3-0. What's the score going to be today?
3-0.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, I love the confidence. Love the confidence. Hopefully, we'll have like 3 wins and 3 clean sheets. Happy days.
Yeah, it's a Sunday league team.
Yeah, like, what position do you play like?
Last one is the Sunday.
Nah, it's just like a full win, isn't it?
Here in Hilton Hotel with Mark. What's the score going to be today?
2-0, Jack
2-0.
Clark.
Jack Clark, nice
Let's
one.
go.
Billy,
3-0.
3-0. And who do we have here?
Frankie.
Score prediction?
Score going to be, son? 6-0.
6-0. Score prediction?
2-0.
What's your name?
Olivia.
How are the lads?
Where the lads?
Score prediction?
Alfie. 2-0. Gallard anytime.
Oh, nice one. Score prediction?
3-2 to Sunderland.
Enjoy the game. Come on, the lads. Hey.
The man that scored the second one.
Here today with Mick inside the Hilton Hotel. What's the score going to be today?
2-0 to Sunderland.
Did you enjoy the game against QPR?
Brilliant game, mate.
Who was a standout player?
Clark all day.
Jack Clark.
Yeah, Clark.
Brilliant, wasn't he?
Oh,
What about Patterson and goal?
Patterson's fantastic.
Absolutely amazing. And I heard your grandson's playing good football. What are you eating?
Footballers.
Coca-Cola balls. What's the score going to be today?
I'm saying 3-1 Sunderland. I reckon Ahmad, Clark and Roberts will score today.
Nice one. And hello there. You eating sweets as well?
Done.
Yeah, what's the score going to be today?
I think it'll be 3-1 as well, but I think of different people scoring.
Everyone's being confident. Happy days. Enjoy the game.
You've got big old cunt.
No more Mackham strangling than that.
What for X-ray?
I put a claim in for £1 million.
Aye, put that but sit in the middle of those, won't he?
Shake hands now, lads. That's it.
Cheers, we want to know for the pint in the Hilton Hotel.
As always, as always.
I say again half time. Same again. Get the card out.
Tight ass twat. Good job, I love him.
Get the card out, lad.
He provided all those shorts and drinks in Wilson's Bar and Grill.
I could get barred from the bar and grill, but I barred from the bar and grill.
I give him half a dozen bottles and a pint, and he hasn't even drunk it.
Tonight I won't have to give him tonight.
I thought he said it on your wall.
Tonight
The love story continues. The love story continues.
Wow, look at that!
Hello, mate. You all right? How's it going? I got a score prediction.
2-1.
2-1 to Sunderland.
3-0.
3-0. Confident.
Robert and Ahmed 2.
Nice one, mate. Nice one. Hopefully, mate. Hopefully big crowd, yeah.
Nice. They've got 2,000, like.
Are they? That's good. That's a good following, I get it. Nice one.
That's all together then.
Excuse me, Bristol City fans.
Yeah.
Can I get a score prediction from your YouTube channel?
Get a what, sorry,
A score prediction.
Yeah, Martin will do one.
What's your name, Martin?
Yeah. Martin.
What? Have you had a good journey to the Stadium of Light?
I travelled up yesterday.
All right. Have you stayed somewhere local?
I have indeed.
Whereabouts?
I stayed in one of the premier hotels.
Oh,
locally.
nice one.
But I can't tell you which
Oh,
one.
no bother, mate. What's the score going to be today?
I think Sunderland will win.
Do you think Sunderland will win?
Absolutely.
You haven't lost in 2023.
I know.
Brilliant form.
Yeah, I think Sunderland.
Good players.
Yeah, they're on a roll. Sunderland are doing really good.
What's the score be today?
I think 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah.
Nice one. Have a safe journey home, mate. Who's your favourite Bristol City player?
Of all time or currently?
Currently.
Currently, I would say Cameron Pring.
And what's your thoughts on the manager or head coach?
Nigel, yeah, well,
Good bloke, isn't he?
some people say that,
Yeah. Do you like him?
not particularly.
Oh, everyone has their own opinion. Have a safe journey home, mate. Good luck today, may the best team win.
Well, yeah.
Thank you.
I hope it's a red team. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, I do. Have a nice one, mate. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
I hope it's a red team.
I've got
Everyone being searched going in or being searched going in. Yeah. Ryan from Wales. What's the score going to be today, mate?
Well, Terry, I think I've travelled all this way. It can be nothing but a win for Sunderland. Probably I'm going to go for 3-1 Sunderland, even with them having unbeaten 10 on the bounce now, innit? But I'm
Who's your favourite player?
My favourite player is Diallo.
What's your thoughts on Tony Mowbray?
Doing a great job, to be honest with you. I must admit, to start with, I was a bit sceptical, but he's developing these young lads really well, and it's looking good for the future.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Steve.
No problem.
Come on! Score prediction!
Oh, I said 2-1.
2-1?
Aye, 2-1 anyone. Because I think they'll score. Diallo. Diallo, get on the score sheet. Aye.
Nice one.
Back on the score sheet.
First goal there.
What's that, mate?
Del Hart's first goal.
I hope so.
Wise mercy, only fools worship, but I can't help falling in love with you. Come on! Hey, today we're top Sunderland fan Rich. Rich, how's your back?
Hurting. I've been sitting down too long. I need to get up and walk up and down these steps with you.
What's your thoughts on the first half, mate?
I think we're both being power.
You reckon?
I think we're both being power. We can't cope with this lad down here with the 11 shirt on. Bit set.
Number 11.
Aye. Can't cope with him. Couple of shots that we've had, couple of chances we've had been alright. But I think we're both the teams have been power.
Should we make a change at half time or not?
Yeah.
Who would you bring on?
I think he's got O'Neill and Pritchard on the bench waiting to come on for the second half. My own opinion.
Who would you take off for? Mishoot?
Probably Mishoot. I'm finding him.
Well, Pritchard.
We're lacking a little bit of height in this team. Do you not think we're
Yeah,
lacking
we are
height in this
definitely
team?
high.
Right?
Would you bring on Certain for Leslie?
Yes.
Yes, you would you?
Yes, I would.
If Pritchard comes on, who goes off though?
That's the difficult one.
It's a hard one, isn't it? It's
Right.
a tough one. Final score, mate, because you know the scores and the doors.
I wanted to say these. I wanted this game taken to them, and we will beat these 2-0 today.
2-0.
But from what I've seen in the first half,
Final score 2-0.
I'm still going to stay with me 2-0. Yeah.
Okay, no bother. Happy days, mate.
Happy
Hope
days.
your back gets better soon.
I'm trying.
Thank you.
Come on!
Come on, Jack Clark! Get it! Get it! Come on! Brilliant! Come on! Come on! Get it! Jack Clark, come on! Double substitution. Ekwa on Robertsoff. And we've also got Dennis Serkin on Jack Clark. Jack Clark scores the goal. Jack Clark, well done, Jack Clark. Come on! Come on, the lads. 4 minutes to go. 1-0 Sunderland. 91 minutes, a penalty to Bristol City. 91 minutes, a penalty to Bristol City. Oh, Patterson saved 3 out of 3. Can he do a fourth one? Oh no.
What the fuck? Yeah, that went downhill fast, didn't it?
Surely not again.
Please, Bosh, come on!
One. Fucking 1-1. Wales finished Sunderland 1, Bristol City 1. Sunderland scored a goal with Jack Clark in the second half. And then a late penalty, 91 minutes for Bristol City. Patterson dived the right way, but unfortunately couldn't keep it out this time. And it's finished 1-1. I'm absolutely gutted. A late penalty, a draw, it kind of feels like a loss. But at the end of the day, it's better than a defeat. Better than a defeat. And we'll take a point onto the next game.
He wears a wanker's hat. He plays for Scum United. And he is a fucking twat. He fucks up on the left wing, he fucks up on the right. And when he plays for England, he's always fucking shite. Whoa!
Right, we're off the bus now, going back to the car, get a lift home from the lovely Kath. Luke, did you enjoy your day at the match?
I did, I really did. Unfortunately, we didn't win, but...
Last minute equaliser from Bristol City. We should have had 2 or 3 goals before then. To be fair, Bristol were the better side for me, just in the first half. Had 1 or 2 really good chances. Second half, Jack Clark scored. Then we could have scored 2 or 3 goals. To be fair, I thought we just shaded it. I'm gutted, absolutely gutted. We haven't come away with the 3 points. Luke hasn't seen Sunderland lose yet. So Luke, thanks for coming to the game today.
No worries, I enjoyed it.
Safe journey home, mate, safe journey home. But we get a point, we're still in the playoffs, we're in 5th place. Happy days. Just seen a score there, Liverpool 2, Newcastle 0. Nick Pope sent off for Newcastle, so hard lines anyway. But we move on, we got a point. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time for the live stream during the week for Rotherham. Say goodbye, Luke.
Bye.
Safe journey, safe journey. 1 point's better than nothing. Happy days. Hey.